Do you want to learn how to create a Payoneer account so that you can start receiving and sending money internationally? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Payoneer account. All you need is a driving license or your national identity card or your passport, and then your address, your current city, and your zip code, your postal code. This is what you need. This is what you need to sign up on this platform. So let's go right to the video. We'll learn how to create a Payoneer account. So we'll simply go to Google and then click on it and then click on open account. Once we click on this three dots up here, we'll see different options. Choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. So we have freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual. So we are going to choose freelancer or SMB. Get full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payments. The right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider. So click on register. So you can either register as an individual or as a company. So you enter your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, and then date of birth. So click on next. So we'll select Nigeria, the street address, or Lagos. I'm just using this for an example. 101233, and then put your mobile number. So once we click on send here, it will automatically send us a code that we will use to continue our registration. Okay. So once that is done, either national identity card, driving license, or your passport and put your ID number. Once you add this, this is not my real ID number. So once I click on next, so once I click on next, this is the final, almost done. Please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to your company. So you select add your bank account here. Then once you select the I agree to the terms and condition and privacy cookie policy, and also I agree to pricing and fees. Once you add your account number here, your bank account number, and click on submit. Once you click on submit, automatically once you put your account number and click on submit, your Payoneer account will be immediately created for you. So this is how to create a Payoneer account. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. I'm Okafe Bechukwu. Thank you. This is my Payoneer account. Welcome Ebuchukwu. Your Payoneer account is your key to unlocking a universe of opportunities. Get paid by international clients and marketplace. Pay your contractors, suppliers, vendors, and employees around the world. Withdraw funds to your local bank account. Use the Payoneer card to save on business expenses and much more. We will tell you more about how your Payoneer opens your business up to the world. Over the next few weeks, start exploring your account now, or click the below to see an overview of what you can do. So this is a new Payoneer account. Now let us tour around this Payoneer account to see what we can discover. Receiving account, gets paid. Let's say for example you have been paid through Fiverr, Upwork, or any other freelance platform. You will click on payment request sent, and automatically your payment will open up. Before you can request payment, you must first receive at least 5,000 USD or equivalent. Batch payment request to multiple players. Receiving account. Get bank account detail in countries where you get. Check my eligibility. Okay, for you to get a USA, UK, Eurozone bank account,
you will earn at least $50 from your freelance platform. So you first of all get up to $50 from either Upwork, from Fiverr, from freelancer.com or any other freelancer platform. So this is how to create a Payoneer account.